In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to Brevo email. First, head to the Brevo login page in your browser. On the sign-in screen, choose Sign In with Google. This method is quick and secure, and it keeps you from having to manage another password. When Google's account chooser appears, select the account you use for Brevo and complete the sign-in. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight into your Brevo workspace. Once you're in, look for the main navigation and click Marketing. This takes you to the area where you manage email marketing tools and assets. Next, click Campaigns. You'll see a list of your existing email campaigns. If you've already set one up, click to open it. If you don't have one yet, create a new campaign and proceed to the editor once it's ready. Inside your campaign, choose Edit Design. This opens Brevo's email editor where you can modify the content and layout of your message. Adding a link can be done to either a button or a piece of text, depending on your design. If you're working with a button, simply click the button block on your email canvas to select it. If you want to link a piece of text, highlight the specific words you want to make clickable. Keep link text clear and action-oriented, like read the full guide or shop now, so subscribers know exactly what will happen when they click. With your button selected or your text highlighted, look to the left-hand panel of the editor. Find the field labeled Link or Link Target. Click into that field and type or paste the full URL you want people to visit. Be sure to include the complete address, starting with https to avoid broken links. If you're pasting from another source, double-check that there aren't any extra spaces before or after the link. It's also a good idea to use descriptive, trustworthy URLs whenever possible, as that can improve click-through rates and reassure subscribers. After entering the link, take a quick look at the display on the right to make sure the correct text or button is selected and the link appears exactly as intended. If your brand uses UTM tracking or shortened links, apply those before pasting so your analytics stay consistent. That's all there is to it. Sign into Brevo, open Marketing, go to Campaigns, select your campaign, edit the design, choose a button or highlight text, and set the link in the left panel. With these steps, your email is ready to guide readers to the right destination.